Hello my dear learners, a very good evening everyone. I am Shashank and I welcome you all on English Medium Prep by Exampur, which is a complete English medium YouTube channel. So students, very good morning everyone and welcome to the session, and please confirm your attendance. Then we are going to start today's discussion, and today in the Ssc Cgl series we are going to discuss the constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. So today's topic of discussion will be the constitutional bodies and non-constitutional bodies, and this constitutional and non-constitutional bodies, it is an important topic from the Indian polity, where you will find the question almost in every exam, not only in Ssc Cgl, but you can find the question in CHSL also, MTS also. So it is such a topic which is being frequently asked in every examination, and in this session we will be discussing the question that is related to only Ssc Cgl. So first of all guys, please confirm your attendance, then we will be starting today's discussion, that is important constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. So let's begin the today's discussion guys, let's start the today's discussion. Important constitutional and non-constitutional bodies, that is the topic of today's discussion. Important constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. So let's start the session, and here is the first question that is before you. The question is ki who is known as the first law officer in India? So who is the first law officer in India? Is it Chief Justice, Comptroller and Auditor General, Attorney General, or the Law Secretary? So who is the first law officer of India? And the name of the 50th Chief Justice of India is also being announced yesterday. So Justice D.Y. Chandrachud will become the next Chief Justice of India, that will be the 50th Chief Justice. So first law officer of India, Sharvani, okay, option C, that is the, good evening Sharvani, and that is the Attorney General of India. So first law officer of India guys, that is defined in Article 76. That is none other than Attorney General, and present Attorney General is R. Venkat Ramani. R. Venkat Ramani. And the upcoming Chief Justice of India, that is the upcoming CJI, that is 50th CJI of India, that is Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud. And who was born in Pune, that is in Maharashtra. So upcoming Chief Justice will be guys Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and his father V.Y. Chandrachud was the longest serving Chief Justice of India. So father was also the Chief Justice, former Chief Justice, and he served the Supreme Court as a Chief Justice for around 7 years, and now the son has become the upcoming Chief Justice. So upcoming Chief Justice is the 50th Chief Justice. The name was announced yesterday by Justice U.U. Lalit. So Justice U.U. Lalit officially announced his successor, and that is going to be Justice Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud. So 50th Chief Justice, Attorney General is the highest law officer of India, that is presently it is R. Venkat Ramani, and CAG does not have to do anything with the law. So CAG is defined in Article 148, and presently we have G.C. Murmu as the CNAG. So good evening Mr. Putin. So correct answer will be guys option C, that is the Attorney General, and first law officer of state. First law officer of state, that is Advocate General, that is defined in Article 165. Advocate General, that is defined in Article 165. Therefore, correct answer will be option C. So correct answer will be option C, that is the Attorney General of India defined in Article 76, and the qualification to become Attorney General is the same as the qualification to become judge in the Supreme Court. Therefore, whenever Supreme Court summons Attorney General, Supreme Court writes कि you are requested to come before the court, and whenever Supreme Court summons the Solicitor General, then it is written कि you are ordered to come before the court. Reason is this कि the qualification of Attorney General is same as the judge of Supreme Court. So correct answer will be option C. Now we will be discussing the next question and we'll see what next question is for us. So let's move to the next question. Next question is a very good question, that is CGL tier 2 type question. Question is कि consider the following statement about Attorney General. First is कि he is appointed by President of India. He must have same qualification as required for a judge of the Supreme Court. He must be a member of either house of the Parliament, and he can be removed by impeachment. He can be removed by impeachment by Parliament of India. So which of the following is or are correct? So I am on the one side of the screen, my dear student, so that you can read the statement and then you can answer the question. So please read the statement properly before answering the question. एनी केस जो एजी ने लड़ा हो, अटॉर्नी जनरल कई बार आते हैं, वो डिपेंड करता है, जब बड़े केसेस होते हैं तो अटॉर्नी जनरल को बुलाया ही जाता है. लाइक यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड में अटॉर्नी जनरल प्रेजेंटली पर्सनली प्रेजेंट थे. अटॉर्नी जनरल पर्सनली प्रेजेंट थे. इन केस 2G स्पेक्ट्रम में बुलाया गया था. जस्टिस सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में भी अटॉर्नी जनरल को इनवाइट कर दिया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने. तो डिपेंड करता है कैसी केस की इंटेंसिटी है, उसके हिसाब से बुलाते हैं. ओके गाइस, सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? सो मिस्टर पुतिन इज गोइंग विथ ऑप्शन ए. ओके, शारवनी इज ऑल्सो सेइंग ऑप्शन ए. Now guys, first of all, the statement about Attorney General, he is appointed by President, that is a correct statement. On advice of Council of Minister, that is correct. Appointed by President on advice of Council of Minister. Then he must have the same qualification as required for the judge in the Supreme Court. So this is also correct statement. He must be a member of either house of Parliament. It is wrong. He is not the member. Not the member of either house of the Parliament. He works up to the pleasure of President. Pleasure of President. He works up to the pleasure of the President. So 3 and 4 is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. So correct answer will be guys option A, that is 1 and 2. अटॉर्नी जनरल इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट में कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है जाना, डिपेंड करता है. जैसे अभी हरीश साल्वे ने कुलदीप जाधव का केस लड़ा था तो वो भारत सरकार भेजती है, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस में अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब जाएं ही. डिपेंड करता है, अगर कोई बहुत तगड़ा केस है और कोई कॉम्पिटेंट लॉयर नहीं मिल रहा है तो अटॉर्नी जनरल को भेजा ही जाता है. ऐसा नहीं, वो डिपेंड करता है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया पे. लेकिन रिसेंटली जैसे कुलदीप जाधव का केस हुआ था, उसमें हरीश साल्वे ने केस को जीत लिया था और पाकिस्तान के अटॉर्नी जनरल को 2 मिनट के आर्गुमेंट में ही शांत कर दिया, और कुलदीप जाधव को जो फांसी लगने वाली थी पाकिस्तान में, उसको रुकवा दिया इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस ने, क्योंकि उनको प्रूफ किया गया था कि ही इज़ एन एजेंट ऑफ RNAW, जबकि उसका RNAW से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था. तो इसीलिए उसको अरेस्ट करके पाकिस्तानी मारने के उम्मीद में थे कि फांसी देंगे. फिर जो हमारे इंडिया के बहुत फेमस लॉयर हैं हरीश साल्वे, 2 मिनट में उन्होंने पाकिस्तान के अटॉर्नी जनरल के साथ जब जो उनका आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ तो आर्ग्यूमेंट में चुप करा दिया, और फाइनली उसकी जो फांसी की सज़ा थी पाकिस्तान के सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो दिया था उस पर रोक लगा दी गई. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो गया दोस्तों ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज़ ऑप्शन 1 and 2, दैट इज़ द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. डिपेंड करता है, जाते भी हैं, उसके लिए उसने 1 रुपया फीस लिया था. दैट वाज गिवन बाय सुषमा स्वराज. तो सुषमा स्वराज ने कहा था क्या फ़ीस लोगे भाई केस लड़ने का, तो हरीश साल्वे ने कहा था कि 1 रुपया लेंगे. देन उनकी डेथ के बाद उनकी जो डॉटर है बांसुरी स्वराज, वो उन्होंने उनको 1 रुपया दे दिया कि भाई ये मेरी मदर का कमिटमेंट था तो मैं उसको पूरा कर रही हूँ. So correct answer will be option A guys, that is 1 and 2. Now guys, come to the next question ki who advises the state government on legal matters. So who advises the state government in legal matters? So if there is any legal matter before the state government, who advises? Is it Attorney General, Advocate General, Solicitor General or Chief Justice of the High Court? So who advises the state government in legal matters? Who advises the state government in legal matters guys? So that is none other than Advocate General. So Advocate General advises on legal matter of the state government, and Advocate General appointed by Governor on advice of Council of Minister. Appointed by Governor on advice of Council of Ministers, and that is defined in Article 165, and the qualification is same as Judge of High Court. Qualification is same as Judge of the High Court. So correct answer will be Advocate General, and in every state we have a separate Advocate General. It is not like that ki Advocate General is common for all. So every state government has their own Advocate General. And Solicitor General, it is appointed in center. So appointed in center to assist Attorney General. To assist Attorney General, and that is defined in article, sorry, it is not defined in any article. So it is presently we have Tushar Mehta. So presently we have Tushar Mehta is the presently Advocate General, Solicitor General. So correct answer will be option this. Governor can take the advice of Chief Justice of High Court like President. Yes, Governor can take advice. Definitely, Governor can take advice from the Judge of from High Court, not from the Chief Justice, from the Judge of High Court to whomsoever he understands he is a competent person. So directly from the Supreme Court they can take advice. It is not like that ki for every time Chief Justice of the Supreme Court will give advice. Any justice according to the Governor who is competent enough to give the advice, they can give. Any judge who is competent enough to give the advice, they can give. Not it is mandatory ki only Chief Justice can give. To whosoever Governor understood ki he is the competent person, he can advise me properly. So correct answer will be guys option B, that is Advocate General, and in every state we have a separate Advocate General, and you can know the name of the Advocate General of your state, that will be mentioned in the gazetteer also. Now the CNAG is removed from his office like a manner of. So how you can remove CNAG? In the manner of Speaker of Lok Sabha, Attorney General of India, Judge of the Supreme Court, Chairman of UPSC. So in which manner you can remove the CNAG? So in which manner you can remove CNAG? In which manner you can remove CNAG? Speaker of Lok Sabha, Attorney General of India, Judge of the Supreme Court, Chairman of UPSC. Okay, let's see the correct answer. So Chairman of UPSC, no. So first of all guys, CNAG, that is they are removed in the same manner. CNAG, they are removed in the same manner as the Judge of the Supreme Court, because the salary allowances, they are all same as the Judge of the Supreme Court, because the salary allowances, they are all same as the Judge of Supreme Court. So they are also removed in the same way as the Judge of Supreme Court they are removed, because the service condition other than the age, rest of the salary, pension, these all are same as the Judge of Supreme Court. and judge of Supreme Court, they are removed on two grounds. Judge of Supreme Court, they are removed on proved misbehavior and incapacity. They are removed on the basis of proved misbehavior and incapacity. So correct answer will be C. And who is the chairman of UPSC? Can you tell me who is the chairman, present chairman of UPSC? Present chairman of UPSC, guys, who is the present chairman? Who is the present chairman of UPSC? Present chairman of UPSC, guys, who is the present chairman of UPSC? Present chairman, that is Dr. Manoj Soni. Yes, Sharwani, that is Dr. Manoj Soni. And he is an academician. He is an academician, so he was vice chancellor of some of the universities also, so he is an academician. So he is not a bureaucrat at all, he is an academician. पढ़ने लिखने वाले person है, bureaucrat नहीं है. So he is an academician. So if I talk about the things, the qualification, that he is an academician, and the chairman and the members of UPSC, they are appointed by president. So chairman plus members, they are appointed by president. So they are appointed by President of India. Therefore, correct answer will be option C, that is the judge of UPSC. So correct answer will be option C. Now let's come to the next question. Next question is कि the ultimate responsibility of taking due to action of the comments of the comptroller and auditor general that is vested with. So guys, this is a very good question and it is a very twisted question also. Not only it's a good question, but it is highly twisted question. This type of question may come in your tier 2, but I am not very much sure. So sometimes they gives the question of the civil services as well. The ultimate responsibility of taking due action on the comments of the CNAG vest with President of India, Supreme Court, Parliament or National Development Council. So it is a very twisted question. It's not that much easy. The language is highly twisted. Definitely I will explain you the question because I can well understand. First of all guys, please whatever that is running in your mind, please give the answer. Then I will be explaining you the question. Guys, who takes the action on the report of CAG? The question is who takes the action on the report of CAG? The question simply, Sharwani, it is who takes the action on report of CAG? Clear? That is the question. See, let me explain you. CAG gives the report, whenever report is prepared, gives the report to the President. President sends the report to Parliament, and especially in Parliament it is given to Lok Sabha. And Lok Sabha gives the report to PSC, Public Account Committee. And what PSC does? PSC scrutinizes the report of CAG and resend to the Parliament, and especially in Lok Sabha, where the debate and discussion is held. Where debate and discussion is held. Where debate and discussion is held. where debate and discussion is held. So CAGS gives the report to the president, president gives the report to parliament, especially the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha gives this report to PSC scrutinizes the report and then finally resend the report to the parliament where the debate and discussion happens. So who is taking action? So who takes the action on the comments? Comments means that is the reports. Reports of CNAG. Now what will be your answer? I have explained the whole thing. So that is not an easy question guys, because the language is highly twisted. The language is highly twisted guys. Now what will be your correct answer? So guys, what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be not guys the supreme, that is not the president of India, that is the parliament, because action is taken by parliament. Action is taken by parliament. Action is taken by parliament. Only the report is submitted to the president. What president does? Okay, report is there, send it to Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, okay, report is there, send it to PSC. PSC, what it will does, it will scrutinizes the report and then will prepare the final report and will resend to the parliament, and then the discussion will happen. Then the discussion will happen. So that will be only the parliament, not Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. That will only be the parliament, because in PSC both the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are there. So both the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are there. Therefore only it will be PSC, because 22 members, 15 Lok Sabha, 7 Rajya Sabha. So this is how the report of the PSC is treated, report of the CAG is treated. So this is how guys the report of CAG is treated in parliament. I hope my dear it is clear to all of you. And Sharvani, it simply means ki who takes the action, who is the responsible for the report of PSC, that is the report of CAG. Multiple times we have discussed the same thing, but only the language is highly twisted. Therefore you people felt difficulty of understanding the question. So that is only the difficulty level, only the language is highly twisted. I hope guys now it is clear to all of you ki what question is exactly saying, what exactly is the question. Now come to the next question, ki which of the following statement about a state finance commission is true? Is it an informal body, it is a constitutional body, it is an administrative body, or none of the above? So what type of body is the State Finance Commission? What type of body is the State Finance Commission? Okay, let's see the correct answer guys. What type of body is the State Finance Commission? So State Finance Commission, that is constituted by governor on to examine the financial condition constituted by governor to examine the financial position of panchayat and municipality, and it is defined in article 243I. So it is defined in article 243I. So it is a constitutional body in nature. So it is defined in part 9 from article 243 to article 243O. So that is in article 243I, therefore it is a constitutional body in nature. So correct answer will be option B, that is it's a constitutional body in nature. So correct answer will be option B. Correct answer will be, guys, option B, that is it's a constitutional body in nature. Now guys, before I should move to the next question, I will request everyone, those who are watching the session, to download the Exampur app. Why to download the Exampur app? Because we are giving you the free job alerts, so that any vacancy in which your qualification and date of birth is there, so you can fill. Other than this, we are giving you the structured paid courses on affordable fee. Then free PDFs you will be getting of the paid session, of the free sessions. Then unlimited quiz to practice, so that your preparation becomes perfect. Then you have the free previous year solved papers and All India scholarship test for to properly evaluate yourself, and you will be getting the current affairs also bilingually in the form of PDF. Therefore, these are the features of our Exampur app. Therefore, I am saying so to download this app, so that all the benefits that we are giving to you, that should be completely accessible. Other than this, guys, and this it is available on the Google Play Store. So from Google Play Store you can download the app. Although right now we have the Android version, we don't have the iOS version. Now let's come to the next question. The main agency to resolve any fiscal dispute between center and state is. So which agency resolves the fiscal dispute between center and state? Which agency resolves the fiscal dispute between center and state? Is it Supreme Court, Law Minister, Finance Minister, or Finance Commission? So who resolves the fiscal dispute between center and state? So who resolves the fiscal dispute between center and state, guys? So the main agency that resolves the fiscal dispute, that is the Finance Commission of India. And presently we have which Finance Commission operating? Which finance commission operating? Which finance commission is operating presently, my dear students? Which finance commission is operating presently? So which finance commission, guys? That is 15th finance commission. Very good. 15th finance commission, and the chairman was N.K. Singh. Now the term of finance commission is going to, it is year of establishment. Year of establishment, it is 2017. Now year of operation. This is the two very important question, guys, that you have to understand. Year of establishment was 2017. Now what is the year of operation? What is the year of operation? So it was established in 2017 and it is operational due to. So it is not by 2022, it is 2020 to 2025. So that is a unique thing. First finance commission, that was Ssc Niyogi. That was Ssc Niyogi. So by the time, if it is 2017 to 22, 22 is about to end, only 2 months are left. By the time, the government of India must have announced the new finance commission, that is the 16th finance commission. Although it was established in 2017, but year of operation is 2020 to 2025. So that is the difference, guys. Year of establishment is 2017, but it is operational from 2020 to 2025. So that is a different thing that you might be knowing, and sometimes I have told you this as well. It is year of establishment is 2017, operational from 2020 to 2025. So only 2 months are left to complete this year, and still the finance commission is not constituted. So that is why, because the year of establishment is 2017, year of operation is 2020 to 2025. So I hope, my dear student, that should be clear to all of you, because by the time, if it is 2017, that should be the year of operation also, then the new finance commission could have started work, could have started, and 16th finance commission chairman could have been introduced. So correct answer will be option D, guys, that is finance commission, that is defined in article 280. That is defined in article 280. Now, when was planning commission established? When was planning commission established? So when was planning commission established, guys? So when was the establishment of planning commission was there? So when planning commission was established, 10th March 1950, 15th March 1950, 16th March 1951, 20th March 1950. So planning commission, which was a non-constitutional body, when it was existed, so when it was created. Okay, so Putin, you should be completely aware about completely aware when it was being created. Hey guys, so the question Vishwanathan, okay, Sharwani, everyone is saying option B guys. So it was established on 15th March 1950 and when it was dissolved, when planning commission was dissolved, tell me the date. When planning commission was dissolved, Niti Aayog that was created on the 1st January 2015 agreed. But when planning commission was dissolved, do tell me कि when planning commission was dissolved and the objective of planning commission was to formulate 5-year plan. So the objective was to formulate 5-year plans. Was to formulate the 5-year plans. So when it was dissolved guys, planning commission. So Putin is saying 31st December. So why 31st December will be chosen? No, it is not 31st December 2014, Putin, it is not 31st December. It is 13th August 2014. So remember this date, 13th August 2014. 13th August 2014, my dear, and then Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog that was established on 1st January 2015. 1st January 2015. So 1st January 2015 Niti Aayog, it was dissolved on 13th August 2014. So please make a note of it. It was established on 15th March, dissolved on 13th August 2014. So it is not like that it was dissolved on 31st of the December and then on 1st of the January 2015 Niti Aayog was being created. It takes time. Therefore, correct answer will be what guys? 15th March 1950. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? So this type of date wala question that always creates the confusion. So beware when you solve this type of date type question. Present Niti Aayog CEO is Parmeshwar Iyer and Vice President is and the VP is Suman Berry. So these are the factual things that you will remember. But the date type question that needs an utmost care, and this type of question ki when planning commission was dissolved, this you can ask from anyone, maximum of you, they will answer 31st December 2014. But it was dissolved on 13th August 2014. Clear all of you guys? Then do let me know. Then I will be moving to the next question. To discuss. I hope this should be clear to all of you. Now, come to the next question guys that we have, I think I have earlier discussed this question as well, कि the Indian model of ombudsman is. The Indian model of ombudsman is Lekpal, Tehsildar, Governor or Lokpal. So what is the Indian model of ombudsman? So what is the Indian model of ombudsman? Indian model of ombudsman. Ombudsman guys, this is the word ombuds. And this is adopted from Sweden. So this is adopted from the Sweden. So ombudsman concept. Ombudsman concept, it is adopted from the Sweden. And that is none other than Lokpal, that is defender of the people. Defender or the protector of the people. Protector of the people guys, that is called Lokpal. ठीक है? And who is the present Lokpal? I have yesterday told the name also, present Lokpal of India. Present Lokpal of India, guys. Present Lokpal of India. Present Lokpal. Present Lokpal of India, that is Justice Pradeep Kumar Mohanty. So that is Justice, actually is retired Justice Pradeep Kumar Mohanty. It is retired Justice Pradeep Kumar Mohanty, that is the present Lokpal. So correct answer will be, guys, option D. Pradeep Kumar Mohanty is also the acting Lokpal. So right now he is performing the functions of Lokpal. So right now Pradeep Kumar Mohanty is performing the function of Lokpal. And Tehsildar, it is a rank of a BDO, that is the Block Development Officer, is sometimes also called Tehsildar. So it is like a block development officer of a state, of a particular block, that is also called Tehsildar. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, so guys, the correct answer will be D. Governor, that is called Rajyapal. So Rajyapal is the head of the constitutional head of the state. Lekpal, guys, it is related to land. It is related to land records. So the person who just has the land record of the area, that is called Lekpal. And Tehsildar, guys, it is like a BDO. So Lekpal, that is like a person who keeps the land record. Generally, who keeps the land record, that is called the Lekpal. So Lekpal, they are being appointed in the blocks, and it is a very famous, one of the famous examinations of Lekpal. So that keeps the land record, that is called the Lekpal. जो ज़मीन वगैरह से चीज़ें रखता है उसी को लेखपाल कहते हैं. जो ज़मीन वगैरह से रिलेटेड जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस होते हैं तो लेखपाल ही रखता है. यूपी में बड़ा फेमस है लेखपाल की परीक्षा. बहुत लोग अप्लाई करते हैं, बहुत लोग लेखपाल बनना ही चाहते हैं, कई लोग बन भी जाते हैं. बिकॉज द अंडर टेबल इनकम इज मोर. इट इज सेड दैट कि द अंडर टेबल इनकम ऑफ लेखपाल इज मोर देन द एनीवन एल्स. सो दिस इज द चार्म ऑफ दैट ऑफिस. Although he keeps the land record, but as I have said, it is not Amin who measures the land. Amin who measures the land. तो अमीन जो होता है वो डंडा लेकर के वो ज़मीन की माप करता है. तो अगर पुतिन लखनऊ के हो तो या फिर यूपी से लेखपाल की वैकेंसी में बहुत लोग फॉर्म भरते हैं और मैक्सिमम टाइम इसका पेपर ही आउट हो जाता है. तो वो जो माप करता है ज़मीन की उसको अमीन कहते हैं. वो अमीन अलग होता है, लेखपाल उसके पास लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं. तो कई बार होता है क्या है कि लेखपाल का पेपर ही लीक हो जाता है. कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि पेपर ही लीक हो जाता है, एग्जामिनेशन होता है, बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स अपीयर करते हैं. सो दैट इज लेखपाल. गवर्नर इज कॉल्ड राज्यपाल. दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि गवर्नर इज द राज्यपाल इन फैक्ट. सो इट इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट, constitutional head of the state. Now guys, come to the next question कि which of the following state was first to establish the institution of Lokayukt. So which was the first state? Okay, from northeastern region, then you might not be knowing it. So Lekhpal, it's a very popular exam in Uttar Pradesh, and that is the person who is related to the land records in fact. So which of the following state established Lokayukt or Lokpal? So is it Rajasthan or is it Maharashtra? So is it Rajasthan or Maharashtra, guys? That is the Lokpal or Lokayukt. So guys, that is not in Rajasthan, that is in Maharashtra region. So that is Lokpal and Up Lokayukt and Up Lokayukt Act. So that is in Maharashtra, that is through the act, that is through the act Lokayukt and Up Lokayukt Act 1971. Through act, through Lokayukt and Up Lokayukt Act 1971. So that is in Maharashtra guys. Panchayati Raj, that is from Rajasthan. Panchayati Raj institution, that is from Rajasthan. Panchayati Raj institution, that is from Rajasthan. So correct answer will be guys option B, that is Maharashtra through Lokayukt and Up Lokayukt Act 1971. So first state to start the institution of Lokayukt. Lokayukt it is in state, Lokpal it is in center. So Lokayukt is always in state and Lokpal it is always in center. So Lokayukt it is always in the state. Now guys, come to the next question, ki who is not an ex officio member of NHRC? So who among the following is not an ex officio member of NHRC? So chairperson of National Commission for Minorities, chairperson of Law Commission of India, chairperson of National Commission for NC and NCST and chairperson of National Commission for Women. Not a ex officio member of NHRC. Not a ex officio member of NHRC. Not a ex officio member of NHRC. So guys, who is not the ex officio member of NHRC? That is the chairman of Law Commission of India. Yes, chairman of the Law Commission of India, they are not the member of NHRC, National Human Right Commission. So correct answer will be guys option B, that is the chairperson of Law Commission of India, they are not the ex officio member of NHRC. And ex officio means कि where post is appointed, not the person. Where post is appointed, not the person. Where post is appointed, not the person. So correct answer will be option B. Now come to the next question, कि Mandal Commission whose proposal created massive dispute that was set up by. So during whose prime ministership Mandal Commission was being set up? During whose prime ministership Mandal Commission was set up? Mandal Commission was set up during the prime ministership of which person? Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Rajiv Gandhi, VP Singh. So Mandal Commission, that was BP Mandal, second backward class commission. So that was second backward class commission. In 1979. That was in 1979 and that was set up during the prime ministership of Morarji Bhai Desai. So that was being set up in 1979 during the prime ministership of Morarji Bhai Desai. And that was the second backward class commission. That was the second backward class commission, and that gave the 27% reservation to OBC communities. So 27% OBC reservation. 27% reservation to OBC communities. So that was under the Prime Ministership of Morarji Bhai Desai, second backward class commission. First backward class commission, that was Kaka Kalekar commission during the Prime Ministership of Pandit Nehru. So during Prime Ministership of Pandit Nehru, first backward class commission Kaka Kalekar commission, second backward class commission, that was Mandal commission. Now come to the next question, what is the tenure of the Chief Election Commissioner of India? So what is the term of CEC, Chief Election Commissioner? 5 years during the pleasure of the President, 6 years or till 65 years of age, whichever is earlier, 5 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. So what is the term of Chief Election Commissioner? So what is the term of Chief Election Commissioner? Very easy question guys, that is 6 years of service or 65 years of age, whichever comes earlier. So 6 years of service or 65 years of age, whichever comes earlier. So correct answer will be option C, Chief Election Commissioner, that is CEC. Presently we have Rajiv Kumar as the CEC, so 6 years of service or 65 years of age. Now this is a very good question. Can you answer this question in one go? That which of the following is not related to the Election Commission? To issue the notification of election, to distribute the election symbol, to settle the validity of election, to conduct the election peacefully. So which of the following is not a work of Election Commission of India? Which of the following is not a work of Election Commission of India? Very interesting and very confusing question. To issue notification of election, to distribute the election symbol, to settle the validity of the election, to conduct the peacefully. So if the election symbol is not distributed by Election Commission, so who will give the election symbol? Any party can take any type of election symbol, so that is not correct. Election symbol that is given by Election Commission of India. Yes, Amar, that is correct answer is to issue the notification related to election. If the election is of Parliament, then notification is issued by President. And if the election is of the state, the election notification is issued by Governor. So to issue the notification of the election, that is not a work of Election Commission of India. Rest to give the symbols to the political party, validity of election, to conduct the election peacefully, that is all work of Election Commission. So to issue the notification, if it is the parliamentary election, then it is the President. If it is the election of the state, it is the work of the Governor. Therefore, correct answer will be option A. So the last question of this session is guys, ki who decides the dispute regarding disqualification of the members of Parliament? So anti-defection law, who is the ultimate authority to take the decision that is related to anti-defection law? So that is related to disqualification, that can be of the any reason. That can be of the any reason. Anti-defection can be one of the reason. So which authority discusses the dispute regarding disqualification of the members of Parliament? Is it President, the concerned House, Election Commission, President in consultation with the Election Commission? So who takes the dispute related to the election of the disqualification related to the election? That is the President after consulting with the Election Commission. President after consulting with the Election Commission of India can take the matter related to the dispute of the disqualification. So correct answer will be guys option D. Okay. So students, with this we conclude the session of today, and I hope you must have found the session interesting, and some of the good questions that I have put that has created confusion in your mind, and you must be aware with those new concepts as well, and you should start practicing those questions also for a better preparation. Now guys, this is the target session of the CGL batch and target session for the Ssc Cgl exclusive session. So that was all for the day guys. Let's meet tomorrow sharp at 11 AM for a interesting session of the general awareness followed by Indian polity. So that's all for the day guys. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye everyone. Do take good care.